Hello everyone, thanks ever so much for joining me again. My name's Anthony Beardsall. I'm a trading coach and I'm in this for your good. So I'm hoping that these videos that I'm making are making a difference to you. If you want other types of videos, then you can always let me know. I've been doing this for years and years and years, and trading, is not the simplest of practices. It is a practice. It takes time for your brain to figure things out. And that's why I'm here, because I've been through that period of time. I've done my hours and my days and my weeks. There were weeks and weeks and weeks, well over 10,000 hours of practice that I put in to get to the level that I'm at now. And you should always learn anything from people with experience and people who are good at things. And I believe I can make a positive difference to you all, which is what I'm doing here, making this video for you. So in this video, I'm going to talk you through one system and show you just what the possibilities are with day trading and trading just one system and understanding it so well that you couldn't possibly get it wrong. If you know something so well that you couldn't possibly get the system wrong, then you're into a good thing. And I'm going to show you that, and I'm going to take you to the charts in a minute. My best wishes and goodwill are with you through this, and I'm here to support people. And I've been running this system for a long time now, and I would only be here if I was totally congruent and confident in what I was talking about, and I am. So have a look at these charts, have a look at this system, and let me know what you think. Do ask any questions that you want, and do subscribe to the channel, and that will be much appreciated. Okay, let's have a look at the charts then. So here's the chart. In fact, there are two charts on here. One is the 5-minute chart and one is the 1-minute chart. And I'm going to show you the trading opportunities within these candlesticks. And I'm going to talk you through some other charts as well, and you'll see the similarities. And this is where your future lies with trading, in looking at candlesticks, reading the candlesticks and picking out the good ones. That's it. It's no more complicated than that. So this is a 5-minute chart, this is a 1-minute chart. And what's the difference? These are 5-minute candles, these are 1-minute candles. That's the only difference. They operate in exactly the same way. You can see here, lots of green candles followed by a plateau, followed by more green. And you see the same here, but the time scales are totally different. 1 minute, 5 times the length. And you can trade both of these charts in exactly the same way. And I use this right-hand chart as the trading time frame, this left-hand chart as the master time frame. But of course, the left-hand chart as the master time frame also has a master time frame, which in this case would be the 30-minute chart. So you can trade both. In this case, I'd be looking to take trades on the 1-minute chart, but if there were trades on the 5-minute chart that came up as I was watching the charts, then I would take the trades on the 5-minute chart as well. So looking at these two charts, the candlesticks are the same. They're just the same. But the trouble with this is that, it comes to this level and then goes down. And what's the signal? There's a doji candlestick there, but, there's a doji candlestick there as well. And price just went straight back up. And, in here, there's a doji candle and price went up. There's a doji candle and price went down. And so you need something extra. And I believe
That's where the EMAs come in. That now makes a lot more sense to me, and I can see trading opportunities in here, and I can see the reason for the trading opportunities in here as well. This is the river of value, and it provides context for price. Is the price way above value? Is it way below value? That's the context it gives. And when price is close to value, it doesn't stay there long. It certainly won't stay in the river for long. And when it goes above or it goes below, then there are trading opportunities. And there are trading opportunities that don't occur every time. But for example, here price went through the river, came back down, left a very small tail, and then went up. And if you picked the candlesticks on this 5-minute chart here that you would like to have traded, just one candlestick, I mean, obviously you'd like to get in here and get out here, but let's be realistic, okay? We've got to take the opportunities that are there. So the best candlesticks to have made most money on would have been this one, and this one, right? Has to be. So you have to have a reason to take that trade at the time that they appeared. So the reason that you have here is that price crossed through the river of value and came back down before rising through. The reason, well, there was another reason here. That was a trade. And there's another reason here and here. And no particular reason at this stage here. It didn't quite make the river of value, and therefore, you've got to only take the trades that appear. And that one, although it looks like probably the best candle on the chart, probably wasn't a trade. Probably wasn't. I'd be looking to see a little tail come out here and then for it to go up, and for it to visit the 8 EMA as well on here. So same again on this particular chart. You can see trades here where the price has reached the river of value and then rejected up. It's bounced in this case, and here as well. And the best candle on the chart, this one, which equates to this one here, it did leave, the price went through to the upside, came back down, left a leg and up. And that fits the description perfectly of a support trade. And these are fundamental to trading, and the only thing that you have to know as a trader to make money trading. You have to know them, you have to have the trading system, and you have to execute. And once you've got all those three things, you can take the trades and make money. This is the 30-minute chart, but it doesn't matter because the price is the same. You've got the same river of value, and you've got the price being the same. And this is the price action that you saw in here, all condensed into this box. So all of these 15 candlesticks or so are in these candlesticks here. And so you can see, and there was a trade here as well. So in this period of time, there was a trade here, there was a trade here, there was a trade here, and there was a trade here. And all of them were excellent probability trades with good context, good content, and confluence with them as well. That's what I'm looking for, 3 C's for every trade. And they're support trades in this case, all of them longs, and all of them with great reward to the risk, which was minute in this case. And there's the 30-minute chart again. So on this chart, you see this trade here. It had a slightly higher risk, but by the time prices come through, put the leg back down, to stand on and then clambered up. That was, as soon as that went green, that was a great trade. And it was about 2-1. Fantastic. And here's the daily chart. So this is the euro US dollar, just to show you a different chart, really. Trade here. Good trade. Nice small leg on the bottom. Pushes up. That's a bounce trade. No trade in here. Trade there. Pushing down possibly, but you've got the 20 EMA in the way a little bit there. Definite trade here. Price comes through, puts a little leg out, and then so you stop top entry as soon as you see any red in for the candlestick. And another one here. So this is on the daily chart of a 4x pair, and so this system of support and resistance, bounces and breaks, it works on every chart. You can't get better than that. Great risk and reward, great probability, and that's how to make money trading. And this is the daily chart on the Dow index. So again, price goes through up using the 20 EMA as support. Leg on the bottom is a bit long there, but it's not a bit long here. Price goes through, comes back down, touches the 80 EMA, and then produces a nice 3-1 reward to risk trade. And the same in reverse on the way down. Price goes below the 80 EMA, sticks a leg up the top, and then thrusts downwards. Same here. That's a trading system for support and resistance. Absolutely fantastic. Works on every chart. This is the 5-minute chart on Nvidia. This is a US stock, and it applies to US stocks, this as well. This bar that you can only just see the bottom of here comes down, just closes below the 8 EMA. And that's the key signal. It then puts out a tiny little leg at the top and pushes down, and that's what I want you to see. These are superb trades. Another one there, comes down, pushes down. Another one there, up, pushes up. Another one here, and it goes on. And sometimes you get runs like this. These are trading ranges, and they're more difficult to trade in. But the same applies. If you've got to wait for the signals, if you get the signals, then that's all you need. That is all you need. It doesn't matter what the chart is. It doesn't matter what specifically you're trading. As long as you get the signals, you've got to trade. If you stick to your signals, then all you're relying on is the system to be good. And if the system has been tried and tested for years and years and years, then you've got a valid system. And so if you need any help with your trading, I'm here to help. My name's Anthony Beardsall, and thanks very much for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. Hope it was valuable to you, and I mean valuable. That's what I'm in this for, I want to make a difference to people and make it positive. Thanks ever so much for watching. Do subscribe or ask any questions if you would like some advice. Okay, cheers for now. Bye.